Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina Shanawaz, consultant gynecologist at Motherhood Hospitals, Indranagar and Sarjapur. I specialize in urogynecology and gynecological endoscopy. Today we'll be discussing on uterine prolapse and what are the treatment options available. What is prolapse of the uterus is, this is your uterus and this is your cervix. This is usually supposed to remain at this level, that is inside your body, inside the vagina, much higher. Now when this, because of a lot of factors, because of laxity in your pelvic floor, or because of pressure on the uterus, like if there is chronic cough or chronic constipation, then it gets pushed down and it shows out of the vagina. Now how will you know it? You'll feel a constant nagging lower back pain or a dragging pain in the vagina, or some people will actually notice the uterus or a lump outside your vagina. Now this is what is called as prolapse of the uterus. This will mostly come up only postmenopausally, when the treatment is usually surgery, where we combine it with the removal of the uterus. In case it happens in between pregnancies or even when you have not conceived, then we do another kind of surgery where we put through the abdomen, we put a tape and pull up your uterus and secure it in position. In these kind of conditions, the option is only cesarean, but then at least your prolapse is dealt with the uterus in situ. And your problems can also range from difficulty in passing urine or motion along with the uterine problem.